Alright, I'm using one of these little spudger tools. You should be able to just get under here, work your way, and then try to pop it up without breaking it, and then pull it back, and there you go, okay? And it's just a clip, so you just got to pop it up, and then just undo the harness, squeeze the tab. This one right here, there's a little safety around it, so, or protection I should say. Do it. That's off. Next thing you want to take off is the side molding. This is the same thing. Just get under there with your tool and just kind of work it, and it should give. It's the same type of clip. It's got the two clips right here. All right. There's two 7mm fasteners holding this door panel on. One is right here behind the control switch, and then the other one is down here underneath that wire. So this is the only. I take a little flat screwdriver, go underneath, and then pry against that, and that should make this thing want to just pop right out like that, okay? Alright, and then you'll notice that there's the other screw. And then, so what I'm using is a speed bar with a 7mm. We're just going to go in there and just undo that. And there's the bolt, there's two, and I just took the one off on the bottom. And then this, you don't want to pull on it, you just want to go up, and then it comes right off. And don't forget to undo the light bulb for the lower entry, the courtesy light. But if you can tell, I don't know, can you tell? Let me flip it. Unlike most door panels, these are just held in by these little wedges. So if you pull, you're going to break one of those. So be very careful that you don't just pull on this door like a normal traditional one, and that you actually take your time and lift it out, and that's it. And then you can get into the door to do whatever, locks, actuators, windows. Okay, so that's it. Thank you.